Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to install and set up Apache Tomcat 11 on Windows operating system by following its official documentation. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser. In the address bar, write this web address tomcat.apache.org. Hit enter. Now select Tomcat 11, then download Tomcat 11 Windows zip archive file. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After successful download of Tomcat Windows zip archive file, navigate to download folder and extract this zip archive file into local disk C. It may take a while. Okay, now you can rename this folder. Now follow the official documentation for installing Tomcat web server. Installing Tomcat on Windows can be done easily using the Windows installer. Its interface and functionality is similar to other wizard-based installers with only a few items of interest. You will find a link in video description how to install Apache Tomcat 11 using the Windows installer. To install Apache Tomcat, you must install Java on your system. So open a new tab, browse this URL oracle.com to download Java. From here, select the Java version, then select the Windows operating system and download the compressed archive file. Click here to download. I already have downloaded it on my machine. So after a successful download, navigate to download folder and extract this zip archive file of JDK into local disk C. You can rename this folder. Okay. Now navigate to the JDK folder, then bin subfolder. Copy this path. Now open, edit the system environment variables and add the path Java home environment variable in the system variable section. Click on new. Now write the variable name Java underscore home. Enter the variable value. Paste this path. Only use this portion. Okay. Now click on OK. Now add this variable to the path. So select path, then click on edit. Click on new to add this path Java underscore home backslash bin. Then click on OK. 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 Now verify the installation of JDK. So open command prompt and write this command java c hyphen hyphen version. That's it. Java JDK installed successfully. Now add the Catalina home environment variable for Apache Tomcat web server. So open, edit the system environment variable again. In the system variable section, create new variable and copy this path. Paste here as a variable value. Click on OK. Now add this variable in the path. OK, OK, OK. Now open command prompt and navigate to the Apache Tomcat folder using this change directory command. Navigate to bin subdirectory. Okay, now start the Apache Tomcat web server. Now allow this app. The Apache Tomcat web server is started using the HTTP port 8080. Now go back to the web browser and access the Apache Tomcat web server using web browser. Localhost, clone 8080 port, hit enter. That's it. Apache Tomcat web server installed successfully. Now open Windows Services. Here look for the Apache Tomcat. Now I am going to install Apache Tomcat web server as a Windows service. Use this command. Now name the service. I am going to name it Tomcat 11 server. Hit enter. Now allow this app. Select yes. The service Tomcat 11 server has been installed. Open Windows Services and find out Apache Tomcat. That's it. Now press Ctrl plus C. Apache Tomcat server has been stopped. Try to access. Now I am going to start the Apache Tomcat web server from Windows Services. Start Apache Tomcat web server. That's it. Now reload. Okay. Now I am going to configure Apache Tomcat web server for administrator login. So go back to Tomcat folder and then navigate to the configuration folder. Here find out the Tomcat users. .xml file, open with any text editor, scroll down. Okay, now copy this and paste here. To access the manager app, here the username is Tomcat. I'm going to enter the password, this password. Okay, and also for host manager, copy this and paste here. Now I'm going to change the username, manager for manager app, and admin for host manager. You can add the manager role here using this username and password. The user will be able to access the manager app and host manager. Now save this file and restart the Apache Tomcat web server. Now reload and log into the manager app. Here enter the username and also enter the password that you have set. That's it, logged in successfully. Now go back and reload. Now log into the host manager. You will not be able to log in to the host manager using the username and password. That's it. To log out, simply close the web browser and reopen. Now I'm going to log into the host manager using this username and password. My case, sign in. Okay, also log into the manager app using the same username and password. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.